Welcome to the D&D Gardening channel. Here's your gracious host, Dee.
Good afternoon or good evening, everyone. This is Dee with D&D Gardening, and welcome to our channel. Today is Sunday, and it is 4:30 p.m. I had no plans on coming out here into the garden today, but something kept calling me, and I couldn't figure out what it was that was calling me until I stepped outside on the back patio, and it was peas, my sweet peas. So I harvested some, and I took another look at those bean plants, and they are done. I mean, D-U-N, done. So I'm going to pull those up, not today, but it's time for those to come up, me to amend that soil and put something else in its place. But I'm going to leave the peas there because they're just not coming in, basically. And so I'm leaving them there. And the other peas that I planted in the bed where the grapevine was, the majority of those, I say about 90% of those, have germinated and they are up through the straw. There's a small little section that is pealess. So once those start getting a little taller, I'm going to put a stake in them so they can crawl up that stake, because I don't want them to be a tangled mess like the peas are over here. Yeah. So anyway, come along with me.
To help the channel grow, kindly give us a like, comment, share, and a subscribe. We greatly appreciate your efforts.
Just put that there because I don't have a trash can or a trash bag. Y'all look, my peas came up. Most of them. Except for that one little patch right in there. But everybody else came up. Okay, I gotta turn my music off. Alright. So, I had no intention of coming out here at all today, but I kept hearing something calling my name and I couldn't figure out what it was until I came out here. It was peas. So, I harvested some beans and peas. Not a lot of them, but I got more peas this time than I got beans. And it's time for my bean plant. I'm just talking to y'all in the microphone way over here.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here is my, I feel like there's something on me. My harvest. I got more peas than I got beans this time. And that made me happy. They are some little fat pods. Those were the only ones I grabbed, were the fat ones. Because if they were still slim and you could still see the little bitty pea through it, I left them. I did not harvest those. I only harvested the fat ones. So that is going to do it for me for today's video. So thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time, oh, wait a minute. Thank you to all of the new subscribers. I never thought that we would hit this goal, but we hit it. Yes. Now only what? 80,000 more to go. No, I am not giving myself a ceiling. I just want to share my joy of gardening with everybody. So, anywho, thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you and much love to the ones that have been with me for a while. Couldn't be here without you guys. So thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. So until I see you on the next one, take care. Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.